the Aero OC12G 12GB GeForce RTX 4070 Ti. Super powerful for what I need. We have the obelisk from Space Odyssey 2001. I don't remember the name of the movie. It continues digging further into the obelisk to finally reveal the graphics card. Aero 4070 Ti graphics card. Look at it.
Just look at it, sir.
Would you look at it? I've had these boxes sitting around for such a long time, and it's really nice to just look at this. Oh, wow. It feels like a hazmat suit is required to open this thing. Even got the caution tape, basically. Look at that. Damn. There's the graphics card. There it is in all its glory, ready to be plugged in and to pump out some epic video editing madness. You know, and maybe, let's be honest, you know, maybe some cyberpunk. I wonder if you can max out settings for cyberpunk with this thing. I haven't played it yet. I'm gonna be playing video games with this thing too. It would be rude not to. So let's take out the rest of what this comes with. Cable here. I know sometimes pieces like this or that look somewhat similar to this are to prevent sagging. The GPU's not dripping, like dipping down because it's too heavy. So I'll figure out what all this stuff is for. Fuck. Who created this graphics card? Was it Jesus? Look at that green reflection. I don't even know where the color green is coming from. There's nothing green around here, and this is reflecting green right now. That's how nice this graphics card is. Aero Gigabyte GeForce RTX. You've heard of it. You've never heard of it. I'm losing my voice. We'll see which thumb screws I have to take out based on how big this is. So that's gonna be right there. Looks like I'll need to remove 3. I actually do have to take the top one out, I think. Something tells me I'm going to want to use a sag bracket with this. Sag bracket. I definitely want to have the sag bracket on there because I want this thing to stay up for years to come. I'm going to need these screws, I'm going to need these washers, I'm going to need these, whatever these are. I want to call them standoffs. There we go. Just a couple of screws go in here. Damn USB-C cable. With the sag bracket in, this should probably go up like that. Good. It's in! Yes! That's nice. Okay. Not gonna need this. Snug as a freaking bug. Really? Freaking washers. There's washers all over the place. Can this one go back in? Maybe. Yeah. Yup.